welcome back to my channel. And so today we are going to be unboxing my Glam Bag X. Glam Bag X is like, it's shipped quarterly and you get it in replacement of your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is like $25. So the X is like $50 and you get like a whole bunch of full-size items. You get like 3 items. So I'm not going to talk too much about it. I'm just going to dive right in and we'll just discuss as we go. Glam Bag X was launched a couple of quarters back. This, I think, is like the 3rd one or the 2nd one. You get a whole like magazine in it, like it goes through, and it shows you like everything you could have gotten out of all of it across the board. Like, you get to see everything and they talk about everything. So without further ado, let's just jump into what I got. And so I'm going to unbox the top item first, which is an item I picked. It's an option always. So the Glam Bag Plus and the Glam Bag, which is $15 a month, you get a bag. Like, you get a like, one of them looks like a little sack and the other one looks like this little like zipper purse. For the Glam Bag X, it's you pick items, and it happened to fall in a category that I didn't know what else I wanted in that category, so I did get the bag this month. That, and it looked like the other bag that I've gotten from them before, which is kind of a nice sized bag, and I kind of wanted another nice sized bag. So let me get the tissue paper off of it, and I will show you this month's bag. And it looks like this on the inside. It's really nice and big. It's got a handle on it. I do like getting these. It's got little rows. I can't even speak today. Rolls. Rose gold, Ipsy little things on both sides. So that's nice. I'm going to actually build it up so that I can put my items in it for not only this box, probably for the whole month. So whatever will fit will go in this little bag. So that is my first item. And the bag was retailed at $18. So my next item is by Radial, and it's pink diamond cleansing balmy thing. I've never had one in a squeezy tube. I usually have them in, like, you scoop them up, so this will be neat to try. And this item is a $59 item. I have no idea if they are typically that much. I do use like the pharmacy one, but it's like a 30-some dollar. The next item is a Pop and Lock Wow for high gloss finish for curls. I've never really used one of these. I do have like natural waves. I thought I would try something like this out and see if I can get my natural beachy waves to look like more natural beachy waves after I bathe. I've tried scrunching them before, but we'll see. I have no idea. I've never tried any. I don't know if this is like a gel or... It does have like this glitter texture to it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got like a glitter texture to it. It looks like the glitter comes out in that, so that's going to be... I just rubbed that all over. I hope that's not like a gel or anything. It smells really nice, so I'll have to try that one out. And that is number 10. Okay, $20, which is not bad so far for my box. The next item is by Tower 28, It looks to be a lip gloss. It is in my color cashew. That's what I got. It was cashew. And it's more brown than anything. It's not bad. I will swatch it on the back of my hand, even though I got glitter all over it. But to show you what it looks like, I do like this like clear, but it's really kind of a clear color and glossy. So there's that item, and that is retailed at. Now you're like back and forth and back and forth. Oh, it's a lip jelly. There's a difference. $14. It does say it's plant-based ingredients like apricot oil and raspberry seed oil. Oh, and it's vegan and cruelty-free and germ tested. So that's nice. The next item is by 311, and it says a rose gold booster. I am actually allergic to most gold products. I am going to try this one before I give it away, just to see if I can do it, and it won't break me out. But this goes for a $135, which is what I'm going to attempt to try it out. It doesn't look like it has any gold in it too much. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand, although I will tell you that is not where I have my problems, so it's not going to tell me anything. It does smell really good. So I am going to try this out. Probably not till the weekend since I work. But it's Illuminator or Rose. I don't understand why it's a boosting Illuminator or Rose. Or Rose. Not and Rose. Or oil and Rose. It does have, says reflects of gold in it, but I will still try it out. I just probably won't get it really close to my eyes or anything. Maybe I won't break out too much. It is a little sticky too. The next item. I did pick this. This is by Sunday Riley, and it's the CEO serum thing. Serum thing. Now, see, that's you know, the complete definition for stuff like this. It is a vitamin C and turmeric face oil. I don't know what to do for your skin. I would imagine that it I don't know, but I am gonna try it out and see. It's really kind of runny oil. And it has a nice smell to it. Oh, it got everywhere. But it is not on this page. It is retailed at $40. So I'm gonna give that a try. I usually try this stuff after I've worn makeup and I wash my face. Okay, so there's two more items. The next item is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I know I can say that without tripping over myself. And this is the brow pen. And I got mine in blonde. I don't know how that'll work for me, but I will try it out. It looks like it will match me. Relatively well, so that's a plus. But it kind of comes off like this color, which mine are fairly light, so maybe it's better if I try a blonde instead of keep going to brown, because sometimes brown looks like overbearing. And that is worth, I am being, yeah, at this, $22. And the last item that I got was a palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And it's the Modern Renaissance. And you know, I've used a lot of these products that I've gotten in these boxes. And I've gotten like the highlighter and the brow pens. And I think, oh, I like that. It's got like a weird little texture. I don't think I've ever had eyeshadows by her from this brand. So, these are the colors, and it's more of the mauve and the pinks and naturals. That's what I typically go for, and the purples. So this will be really nice to get. There is a couple shimmers in here. I'm going to swatch Vietnam Red, Red Ochre, because that doesn't look red at all. And we'll do one of the shimmers. We'll do the Primavera shimmer, and I will swatch these real quick and see what they look like as for pigment. So there's the red one, and they come across really well. Even though those are the mattes, they still are really nice. And the last one, which is the shimmer, is right there. So they're really nicely pigmented. Now mind you, that has a lot of my oils and stuff on the back of that hand, so that did help grab the pigment. But yeah, they're really nice pigmented. I will be trying those out. And that palette retails for $45, but it is really neat. I do like it. But I like a lot of shimmers too. But with summer, you put a lot of shimmer stuff on your face anyway. So that is my box. And all together, let's see if I can do some quick math. I can't, but let's see if I can. That's 180, 94, 194, 194, 208, 208, 240, 53, 53, 70, 5, 275, 40, 53. So $353 was the value of mine, and I paid $50. But it could have went higher or lower depending on some of the stuff that you got. There were a lot of great items looking over this thing that you could have gotten, including a mascara, a completely different eyeshadow palette, this, where was it? Oh, it was on the side. This Magic Cream by Charlotte Tilbury, which is this thing right here. But I didn't get that, but that's okay. I don't know that brand. And this is some of the choice items you could have gotten, including a scalp scrub and this old Palex, which I didn't really know what that was. A Morphe spray, setting spray. The two items that I got, there was a cream, this like rubbing stone thing that you could put on your face. Those two items. There's some lashes, and then there was also this item over here, which looks like a little mirror, and the bag, and I don't know what that is. Oh, the whitening pen. These peptides, which I didn't really know what that was. And then these little beauty collagen infused lip masks. Overall, anything that you got, if you enjoy it and you have fun with it, that's what matters. I will be having more unboxings coming in, and I will film them as they come in. But that is all I have today. So, with that, I will let you go. I hope you have a fantastic, wonderful day. I hurt your face. Make sure you check out all the links in the description. Click, like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that fun stuff. Check my Instagram out. I've been trying to make some posts on it and Twitter. Kind of slow at it, so don't at my face at that. But I am working on it. And with that, I hope that you have a fantastic day. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.